Pim says, during Golden Week, at least during the last 6 years, the price of gold has taken a hit because the buyers from China just aren't active enough in the market. We also heard from Sung-Moon Kim this morning on the MLive blog that the steepening of the curve may be hindering gold's rise as well. What do you think?
Well, I think the outlook for gold is, well, first of all, we've had a tremendous rally in precious metals and a rally that has seen positioning up to nearly unprecedented levels. So I think it's natural to have some sort of setback. I think the setback so far has been pretty modest. I think it's actually pretty interesting as well. The key level, 1484, 1485 that we broke below has actually been erased again. I think that the key outlook for gold is it's about real interest rates. If we're seeing a weaker dollar, if we're going to see financial repression in the form of negative real rates, which I think is a significant risk, I think this story will be renewed. I'm uncertain about Golden Week timing, week-to-week timing on this, but I think for the cycle, for the longer term, gold and to a degree silver, looking at significantly higher levels.
So Golden Week not good for gold. Let's ask about a few other havens, and one that I know you follow closely, obviously being in the FX world, and that is the Swiss franc. Interesting to see that I'm looking at Euro Swissy, and we've seen the euro gained against the Swiss franc yesterday and again in this morning's session when equity markets are selling off, and you might have thought that investors would be finding some sort of haven status in the Swiss franc. What's happening here? What is your thought process as you're thinking about that?
Well, for now, I'm filing it under interesting because I think this is a very interesting development. We've tended to see, like you indicated, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, for example, moving in sync, Euro Swiss, Euro yen, rather high correlation there. We did see, though, as we headed to those lows in Euro Swiss recently around 108.50, the sight deposits didn't really tick up. So it didn't seem like there was a lot of need for the S&P to push against that. I think maybe it is this absolute zero story. Maybe if we are at an absolute zero in terms of monetary policy in the EU, if we are looking for some transition to fiscal, however rocky, however difficult it is to get there, valuation-wise, maybe we're just at a level where people are sniffing around. But this is an interesting development. It's very early days. I would say a couple of sessions here that have been interesting. But yeah, let's watch the space.